What is that?
A Yeti.
What?
But why is another? And what are these?
Those are my pedals.
And what are that?
That's a grip, and that's a magic. That's called a magic infinity leprechaun.
And what is that?
He changes my anti-squat and gives me more power. Can you say what kind of bike it is?
And what is that?
That's my seat. Watch this. Ready?
Yeah.
Watch it. Whoa! Whoa! We had an awesome little ride today. I hope you enjoy it. Out here with August. Say hi.
Hi, and peace out.
Peace out. Anyhow, enjoy the video, y'all. This shit's gonna put me right in shape. Rode like 20 miles last night, mostly in the urban environment. Anyhow, here, enjoy this video, y'all. I'm ready for a nap and some lunch. The shaka?
Shaka.
There you go. Here, Yeti, Yeti, Yeti. That's why I don't like clips. I love the moto brake. Ah.
Daddy, I almost lost you.